Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a mind map using Microsoft PowerPoint. So the topic that we are going to use is literacy. So to show you how it works, we are going to the slideshow tab and then click from the beginning, or you can also click here to present the slides. So as you can see, we have here our first mind map. Each one of these icons is connected to this person's idea on literacy. So each one of these icons represents one type of literacy, namely financial literacy, global literacy or globalization, traditional literacy, cultural literacy, multicultural literacy, and social literacy. Now, if you click one of these icons, you will be directed to their specific mind map. For example, if you click the financial literacy icon, you will be directed to this mind map. So this mind map represents what is financial literacy. So it is related to earning, spending, borrowing, saving and investing, and protecting. Now if we click back here on this icon, we will be reverted back to the first slide. Now the same thing goes with these other icons or types of literacies. For example, in globalization, we have this mind map, and the same goes with the others. Now to create this mind map, we are going to make a new PowerPoint presentation. So our layout should be blank. Now that we have a blank layout, we go to Insert, Pictures, and then we will find our background. So here, I have already made the background for this. Now we are going to scale this so that it would fit on our title slide. Now that you have done this, you will right click this and format picture. We will go to this tab, and for the pictures correction, our brightness will be lowered using this arrow. This is optional. It depends on the type of picture you are using. Okay. Now that you have done that, we will go to Design and Format Background Picture. So if you want a colored background here, you will see this and select any type of color you wish. But for this case, we are just going to use a white background. Now that we are done with our title page, we will go back here. We will replicate this one. So you can use any font. So we are just going to copy this one and then paste it here. So this will serve as our title for the entire presentation. And here's the definition of literacy. We'll also copy this using Ctrl+C or just right click and then copy. Then the same procedure. Now that we're done with our title slide, and this one here is our first mind map, we are going to create the specific mind maps for each one of these icons. So to create the specific slides for each icon, we will click here on the left side, then right click, then add new section. For this section, we are going to name it Financial Literacy. Now we are going to add a new slide here. So this the same layout, blank. And now we are going to insert our first icon, the financial literacy icon. So as you can see, the background here are not the same with the background color of the slide. So to do that, click here, then go to Format, then Remove Background. So just slide here. As you can see, the the purple area there are going to be removed. So we are going to remove the background. Then we hit Keep Changes. So we are going to scale down. Now that we have our desired size for our icon, we will go to Insert and then Shapes and then click this oval shape. So hold Shift to create a circle. Now this will serve as our base shape. Now to to make this behind the icon, we will go to this tab, then click this drop down arrow, then click Send to Back. To change the color, we are going to Shape Fill, then click White. Or you could also have no fill. Then the outline will be, we will be using this, and for the weight, 6 points. And for the title, we are going to just copy the title here, and then paste it here. Again, it depends on your preferences as to what type of font you are going to use. So we're just going to lessen the size, decrease the size, and then to make this one, we are going to create a circle like this using the same procedure on how we made this one. So we go to the Insert tab, and then this circle, Shift, then drag. It depends on what size you want it to be. Then we go to the shape fill. So for the color, we're going to use this one, and then the shape outline will be this one. And for the weight, we're going to use 6 points. Now, in order to lighten this one, the inner color, we're going to right click the shape, then go to Format Shape, and then set the transparency to 85%. Then click X. Now we are just going to copy these words onto the circle. And then replicate what is here. Then just paste it. Okay, now that we have our circles for the mind map, we are going to link each circle to each other. So we will go to the Insert tab again, and then the shapes, and we will be using this line. So drag it here, and then for the color of the shape, use the same color as the outline, and then the weight will be 6 points. And then copy this one using Control, then drag, then let go, copy again, until you have connected all of the circles. As you can see, we have made the first step in making a mind map. So here. Now the next step that we are going to use is we are going to link this slide to the first slide here. So to create a hyperlink, we are going to select a circle shape here, then drag it over the first icon. To uncover the first icon, we're going to shape fill, then the color should be white, and then the shape outline weight must be 3. Then we are going to right click here, and then format shape, and then set the transparency to 85%. Now that we have our first icon, we are going to right click again the circle shape, then click hyperlink. So we are going to place it in this document, and we will going to click slide number 2, which is linked to the financial literacy. Next step is to add the effects. For the effects here, we're going to transitions and then shape. So that's how it is going to reveal once we go to this slide. The same thing also with this one. So for the financial literacy, the effect is shape also. But you could also use other designs or transitions. Now, in order for this slide to revert back to the first slide, we will be using the same concept. We will click the icon, then right click, hyperlink, then we will click slide 1. Now, to test our work, we're going to go to slideshow tab, then from the beginning. Now, if we click this one, it should be diverted or directed to the financial literacy slide. So here is our mind map. And when we click this icon, we will be diverted back to the first slide. So the same thing that you are going to use with these other icons, in order to produce this one. So that is all on how to create a mind map using Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.